one instance you called inside the custom domain name. It is working. That we tested. I want to remove that from a custom domain. Go to the custom domain. In place of this, it is pointing to whom? One instance. If I want to point another instance, another array card. Instead of this one, we are supposed to use a load balancer. Here, a record, click on alias. Where you want to route application load balancer, in which region? US-East-1. What is the load balancer name? This is a load balancer, ALB demo. What kind of routing it is? Simple routing. Meanwhile, let's go and check what is the status of a load balancer. Load balancer is active. Inside the load balancer, we have listeners. One listener, one TG, one row. Let's go to the details. Copy the DNS name. Go to the incognito window. Paste it. Server 1. Can I refresh? Server 2. What is the takeaway from this? Request is going to server 1. Request is going to server 2. When a user accesses your website, if you reload, first request is going to server 1. Second request is going to server 2. Both the server has same content, please understand. In the real time, both the servers will have same content. For your understanding, I'm showing two different content here to get the difference. But if you don't understand, if you refresh, you think that you're with one server now. It's connected to another server. This is a load balancer route the traffic to server 1 and server 2 based on the users. Now, individual instance capacity is 50 members. How many instances you have? 2. 2 means 50 plus 50, 100 members. So these 100 members are directly accessible? No, they are directly accessible through a load balancer. What load balancer is doing, if somebody accesses a website called cloudbinary.in, the request will go to listener, 80 listener. Inside the listener, target group. Inside the target group, before it sends the traffic to server 1 and server 2, health check will be performed on both the servers for every 10 seconds. If they are healthy, only the traffic will route it to the server 1 and server 2. If they are not healthy, one of the server will be marked as an terminated. Then how to provision one more? It's called auto scaling. Somebody should provision another one, right? So that's called auto scaling. Now, let's go to cloudbinary.in and access. Try to access and see. You can try in your smartphones now. Cloudbinary.in and try to check. You should get 2 content. Cloudbinary.in means first you will get some content, would be server 1 content, server 2 content. When you refresh, you will get different content. See, I got different content. Server 1, server 2 content. It's working. Instances are not reporting directly under a Route 53. Instances are reporting under load balancer. Load balancer has what? Health check. Not only health check, it has listener. As of now, we are using application load balancer to route the traffic on port based 80 port. Online SBI. Online SBI.SBI. Are we clear? Just look at this. Are we clear? I'm clicking this. What happened? It is redirected to retail page. This is called path-based routing. Path-based routing.